Hello, OIT champions. If you miss answers in OIT listening because you don't understand medical words, then this video is for you. Because I'll give you 50 words, those appear again and again in OIT listening, and you will learn them today and never lose marks for vocabulary again. Hi, I'm Dr. Arshna from Dr. Arshna's OIT Institute, your OIT success mentor. In this video, I'll share 550 high frequency medical words often found in OIT listening and reading. You will learn their meaning plus an example sentence so you can recognize them instantly in your test. Let's make your listening sharper, reading faster, and your score higher. But before that, if you have not subscribed my channel yet, subscribe it right now so that you should not miss such of the videos in the future. I'm going to divide into three segments. Part 1. These are common clinical and medical words. Acute. This means sudden and severe. Example, the patient developed acute chest pain. Second word, chronic, long lasting or recurring. Example, he suffers from chronic back pain. Third, benign, not harmful or cancerous. Example, the lump was found to be benign, means this was not cancerous. Malignant, harmful, cancerous. Example, the biopsy showed a malignant tumor. Fifth, lesion, an area of damage in tissue. Example, the MRI showed a small lesion on the brain. 6. Deteriorate, to become worse. Example, his condition began to deteriorate overnight. 7. Stabilize, to make steady or stable. Example, the patient's blood pressure stabilized after treatment. 8. Referral, sending a patient to a specialist. Example, the GP made a referral to the cardiologist. Ninth, diagnosis, identification of a disease. Example, the doctor confirmed the diagnosis of diabetes. 10th, prognosis, means expected outcome of a disease. Example, the prognosis is good with early treatment. Fatigue, extreme tiredness. Example, the patient complained of fatigue and low energy. Inflammation means swelling, redness, and pain. Example, the knee showed signs of inflammation. Infection, invasion by bacteria or virus. Example, the wound became infected after surgery. Allergic, having a reaction to something. Example, she is allergic to penicillin. Symptom, signs of disease. Example, fever is a symptom of infection. Diagnosis, identifying a medical condition. Example, the doctor confirmed the diagnosis of asthma. Medication, drug used to treat disease. Example, take your medication twice daily with food. Part 2. This is hospital, test and procedure words. Intravenous, through the vein. Example, the patient received fluids intravenously. Sedation, calming with medicine. Example, the child was under sedation during the procedure. Incision, surgical cut. Example, the surgeon made a small incision near the abdomen. Sutures, means stitches used to close a wound. Example, the wound was closed with sutures. Biopsy, removal of tissue for testing. Example, a biopsy was done to confirm the diagnosis. Specimen, sample for laboratory testing. Example, please collect a urine specimen for analysis. Ultrasound, imaging using sound waves. Example, the doctor ordered an ultrasound to check the liver. CT scan, imaging using X rays and computer. Example, the CT scan showed no abnormalities. MRI, imaging using magnetic fields. Example, the MRI revealed brain swelling. Anesthesia, loss of sensation during surgery. Example, the surgery was done under general anesthesia. Vitals, essential body signs. Example, the nurse recorded the vitals every hour. Doses, amount of medicine to take. Example, the correct dosage is 500 mg twice a day. Side effects, unintended drug reactions. Example, drowsiness is a common side effect of this drug. Consultation, meeting with the doctor. Example, the patient came for a follow up consultation. Follow up, future appointment. Example, the doctor advised a follow up in 2 weeks. Adverse reaction means harmful response to treatment. Example, the patient had an adverse reaction to the drug. Monitoring, continuous observation. Example, the nurse is monitoring the patient's progress closely. And now the last third part, listening plus reading focus words. Administer, to give medicine or treatment. Example, the nurse administered the injection carefully. Compliance, following medical advice. Example, poor compliance leads to slow recovery. Dressing, covering a wound. Example, change the dressing daily to prevent infection. Rehabilitation means recovery, process after illness or injury. Example, the patient is undergoing rehabilitation therapy. Symptoms subside. Symptoms become less intense. Example, the pain subsided after taking medication. Underlying condition means hidden or existing disease. Example, the patient's underlying condition is hypertension. Prevention, stopping illness before it starts. Example, vaccination is the best prevention against flu. Screening, testing for early detection. Example, screening helps identifying diabetes early. Complication, new problem caused by a disease. Example, infection is a common complication after surgery. Therapy means treatment method. Example, the patient is receiving physical therapy. Relapse, return of a disease after improvement. Example, the cancer relapsed after 2 years. Resistance, not responding to medication. Example, some bacteria show antibiotic resistance. Remission means disappearance of disease symptoms. Example, the patient is in complete remission. Referral letter, doctor's letter to another specialist. Example, please bring your referral letter for the next appointment. Prescription, doctor's written order for medicine. Example, the pharmacist filled the prescription for antibiotic. Recovery, return to good health. Example, she made a full recovery after surgery. These 50 words are your secret weapon to understanding every question in OET listening and reading. Learn 10 words daily, listen, repeat, and use them in your writing and speaking practice also. Fluency comes when vocabulary becomes your second nature. If you found this video helpful, hit the subscribe button, save it, and share it with your OET friends. Join my OET Mastery group on WhatsApp for free daily words, drills, and listening practice. See you very soon with a new video. Till then, happy learning, stay connected.